April 30th. It's Thursday, guys. How's it going? We got some of those lines in the skies again. Nice, it's going to be nice and sunny for a while till it clouds over. Actually, they were making X's. Oh, you sounds wild this morning. Yeah. And somebody must have fallen through that. That's been like that for, I don't know, 8 months. I notice they got a caution deal here now. I think they had a sign they put up, don't feed the ducks or geese, but they couldn't spend a few dollars to fix that over there. Look at that. How long would that take? Minimum of 2 hours to fix, max. Anyway, guys, have a good one.